हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, आज के इस वीडियो में मैं आपको दिल्ली यूनिवर्सिटी का एडमिशन प्रोसेस स्टेप बाय स्टेप समझाऊंगी। कुछ डाउट्स मुझे रिसीव हुए थे रिगार्डिंग एडमिशन प्रोसेस ऑफ दिल्ली यूनिवर्सिटी, सो इसलिए ये वीडियो मैंने बनाया है सो दैट वो सारे डाउट्स मैं आपके क्लियर कर सकूं रिलेटेड टू एडमिशन प्रोसेस। तो सबसे पहला स्टेप है दैट यू हैव टू लॉग इन टू दी दिल्ली यूनिवर्सिटी यूजी एडमिशन पोर्टल। जैसा कि आप देख सकते हैं इस तरह का एक पेज ओपन होगा, उसमें यू हैव टू एंटर योर ईमेल एड्रेस एंड पासवर्ड एंड लॉग इन विद दैट। And the second step is that you'll have to update your marks and upload your mark sheet on this portal by clicking on Update Academic Section button. Now a page like this will appear and you can fill in your details here, and you will click on Update Marks and your marks will be updated. You can also upload your mark sheet on this portal only by clicking on Upload. Now a page like this will appear and you can fill in your details here, and you will click on Update Marks and your marks will be updated. You can also upload your mark sheet on this portal only by clicking on Upload. After this, the third step is that you check your eligibility and you check the cutoffs. You can check the cutoff by clicking the tab Cutoff and selecting the college and course from the drop-down list. A dashboard like this will appear and you can check your best 4 marks here. You will also need to recheck these marks manually. After this, the next step is that you apply for the admission. For that, you will verify the cutoff for a particular college and for the course for which you want to apply, and click on the tab Apply Now. Do remember one thing, that once you click on the Apply Now tab, you will not be allowed to update the academic section. And one more thing that you need to remember is that you will be allowed to choose only one course in one college, provided that you meet the cutoff of that respective college for that particular course. And also, multiple simultaneous admissions are not permitted. This dashboard you can see, you may check the status of your application at any time. So this dashboard will show your applications. Now if you meet the required eligibility and the college finds your document in order, the college will approve your admission. After that, you'll have to pay the admission fee, and that will be the last step. Once the payment is successful, you'll receive a confirmation mail. However, if the documents uploaded by you are not legible, or they are wrong, or they are incomplete, then the reason for the same shall be updated on your dashboard, and you will be advised to contact the respective college for that